Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see from the title, I am revamping an old wig that I had for about a year now, and I actually wanted to do an ash blonde color to it. I previously had an ash blonde, but with time it washes out, so I just wanted to redo it again. So this is the look, this is the outcome of it. Trust me, I thought this hair was going to be an epic fail, but it actually turned out pretty cute. So if you guys like what you see, please continue watching, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new, hey girls, don't be shy, you know what I'm saying? So subscribe to me. Thank you. Hey guys, so this part of the video I'm just showing you guys the hair. This was the old color that I had. It previously just washed out, so I'm just showing you guys the wig, and I'm going to be coloring the hair. So I'm only going to be using 2 boxes because I already previously colored this hair. I'm going to be using 1 box of ash blonde and the other of dark brown. So I'm going to mix these 2 colors together, and then I'm going to get the ideal ash brown color that I actually want. So here, I'm actually doing a messy job, but I mean, you can put this on the mannequin and do it strand by strand, but I just kind of wanted to do this and get it quickly over with. So I really just was doing a messy job by just placing the hair colors like all over the hair. And I think that's probably where I thought that I probably messed up the color, because it's going to look a little weird before it looks better. So yeah, if you don't want to be like me, you could put on a mannequin and do strand by strand, or you can just do it like this and just be happy with whatever result you get.
A few moments later.
So I'm washing the hair with the conditioner that it comes in with the pack, and then I'm going to be using my own conditioner also, but I'm pretty much just using the conditioner that came in the 2 packs, and I'm washing that out. Now here, the color was a little darker than I expected, and I was like, okay. But then when I did put it on the table and seen it in the light, I was like, okay, it's not that bad. It definitely did look more gray to me, but I was like, at this point, I'm just going to see how it comes out. So I'm just going to be applying my wig. I showed you guys there that I did use a tint spray, and I believe I got that from my local beauty supply store, and the color is golden, and it was about $10. So I sprayed the lace with that tint spray, and then now I'm using the Got To Be to lay my lace down. So I just prepped my hair to lay down my baby hairs, which is what I'm doing here. So I'm just showing you guys how I just lay my baby hairs. It's nothing too crazy. I don't do too much. It's really simple. Just a couple of swoops, and that is it. Sorry about that. That is my son in the background watching Power Rangers, being very silly. So just don't mind that.